On Thursday night, unidentified miscreants launched a bomb attack at the residence of Raju Jamatia, Vice President of the YTF District Committee in the Khumpuilwng Para area of Jampuijala. Upon receiving information about the incident, personnel from the Jampuijala Police Station promptly arrived at the scene to secure the area and initiated investigation. The Jampuijala region has experienced a resurgence of political violence reminiscent of past ADC election unrest involving bombings and firearm incidents. On Thursday night, unidentified miscreants launched a bomb attack at the Khumpuilwng Para residence of Raju Jamatia, Vice President of the YTF District Committee. While the family narrowly escaped harm, the property sustained damage. In a statement to the media, Jamatia condemned the attack, characterizing it as an unacceptable act of violence. Local authorities have intensified security measures in the area as investigations continue.
Mia hor thangnai duitarin hor thangnai mia 9ta eba 9ta 9:30 ni bisingo kaisa ni no kaisa gotna angkha omo niro joton saimano election time logo bom haike ingfai bom haike no same mia hor thangnai yo an nogo taisa Shia Nugya Gen Gridok Paitasha Nogo attack heavy boom kita fakia. Clear Simonu. Election time was how boomru Getabu act the Santibs Tomasi, Chin El Gawo, Chin area Bishingo. Santitom Hota Pipire Hanimia. They was a Nogo boom kitari, Riklanka, Karitanka. Ombrotam proof Kanamusu. Tam proof Kanamusu Borosuna. Are ang munang hay no motay bay ya kong no mokol kay ni kita hay si ano rob zole motong ni rob zole motong sai mono hay phone o mai khai mani o ma ke no ko phai attack khai mani o ma belai ke chaya hay si u ya kong bri himai rok si dagi jago chin para ni borok tong dagi jang nai oro phai re phai mani nai tu kar hay si ma sono mi phio gya ni biang kharnai jung sai mana si bo morok buni si oro bo borok oro kubului tong bo incident bo biang jaga thangai tong chin para ni borok am kang ko siu hay si no furung na hesi hai no please anu request khayo oma ke kaisa no go thangai attack khai mara ekdom chaya obon sing bat khai nango because democracy tabon democracy walo jotono je hamjang no khaile yo hesi ani hamjang no khai ni hamjang no khai di hai no go thangai oma ke attack khai mara ke belai ke chaya hesi mi an ani am babo tong kirjagi thangai hesi besas or an no gana chirai klei gnang tong je awasin khamo je ke marke awas per khamo gubin ja phung khana wi khang usrai rok tam khamumia
besok time rong khang hajar
9:20 9:20 pm
kai besok rok khitar khana ma jaka
bro mia kaison khita khalang kha tara hora ke ma khita khana hiru bro kiris ba khita phagena ha ke ba nogon phai ate khai phibang khamo bro yang get bu sojak ba hakchal ni simi bro khitar khalang kha nge mo ekdom angke sajagli haisi ang unjakliya oma ke bumro khitalai mani kaisa no kaisa thanglai kaisa no kaisa thanglai ma khitalai ma please avoid khaidi takhai bai tung haisi
korok sapon chak rok ke dukh daman kena kemalia
ke chak to dukh malia tam ke oni 9ta 20 taka khaba joton nok bising tongoi mani ma chana somoi khaba joton nok bising tongoi mani jodi phataro tong hang ke gana gi tong mani khle om dukh mang khamo nerok thaisin nukhana mom hai ke bising dajak manai rok wa bising point habi thang kaisi gamo borom de har ha bang tam habi ana ba lang hang ke mong no please hai rok violence kaisa solution ya isi peace love kaisa solution jotona hamjang bising tisi kubui tongkasi am kuplai na hisi.
Following the incident, Jampuijala Police promptly arrived at the scene and have initiated regular patrolling to ensure public safety and maintain peace in the area. In light of the tension, local residents emphasize the importance of community cohesion, noting that internal conflict only harms the indigenous Tripura people. They urge the community to prioritize mutual support and unity to foster collective growth. Reported by Raju from Jampuijala, Chini, Khorang.